In this video, I am going to show you how students are taught to solve multiplication word problems. Here's our first example. Lisa buys 4 boxes of pencils. If there are 8 pencils in each box, how many pencils does she have? The first thing students are told to do is circle and underline important parts of a word problem to know if they need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So I'm first going to circle the numbers 4 and 8. There are 4 boxes, so I'm going to underline boxes. 8 pencils, underline pencils. Then students are taught to look for words that could mean multiplication, addition, and so on. In this word problem, the word each means multiply. And another word in here that means multiply is of. So they would underline of and put a multiplication sign. Now all they have to do is solve and multiply. So they write 4 times 8 equals 32. Then I have them look back in the question to see 32 what? It says how many pencils, so the answer is 32 pencils. Our next example says, Mark reads, let me put an S here. Mark reads 5 pages of a space book every day for a week. How many pages did he read altogether? So students will circle the numbers first. That's the only number I see right now. I'm going to underline pages. My multiplication word is of. Now imagine that word of wasn't there. They would be looking at the word altogether. Now altogether could mean 2 different things. It could either mean add or multiply. And I'm going to tell you in a second how you know which one this is. Now they can't find the other number, but if you look at the word week, if he reads a space book every day for a week, that's 7 days. So they write the number 7 on top. Now the way we know if altogether means add or multiply is you look at the word after the number. This is 5 pages, this is 7 weeks. If they were the same word, that would mean you need to add. But because the words are different, that means altogether means that you're going to multiply. If you look at our previous example, boxes and pencils are different, which means that the student will need to multiply. So I think everything is marked here. So I'm going to write 5 times 7 equals 35. Look back in the question, how many pages? So it's 35 pages.